chilling with those guys.
Yeah, very nice.
Shiver? Hey? Hey, boy. So we're in Ballito now. It's a small town just up the coast from Durban. We've come to visit Roxy's brother Dave. The weather is potentially going to get bad, but right now, this morning, it's a beautiful day, so we're going down to the beach. This is Shadow's first time going down to the South African beach. Sure, no one's here, eh? Let's just go down to the beach and check. So we got told that a couple of people have taken their dogs for a walk on the beach, and then once they got home, the dogs were very sick and some of them actually died, unfortunately. And apparently it's because there are pufferfish washing up on the beach and the dogs are eating the pufferfish, which are very poisonous. So we're going to do a quick little look for some pufferfish. If we don't see any, then Shadow is going to get to run around. Okay, we've checked the beach. Seems like there's no puffer fish, so let's let Shadow go. Good boy. So the blog's been a bit quiet lately. I've been down with some serious man flu and we've just been busy doing stuff on the farm and that sort of thing, so I decided to sort of pump the brakes. The goal was to actually do a month of solid daily vlogging and then see what happens after that, and I managed to hit a month, 30 vlogs back to back, and that was quite a challenge, but yeah, now we're kind of just gonna see what adventures happen and vlog those adventures. If I feel like doing it every day, I'll do it every day. But yeah, I'm still enjoying the vlogging. Alright, so it's the end of a long day. It's been a lazy day. We're gonna eat this pizza. We're gonna watch some TV, and we're gonna call it a day. We're just gonna have a family pizza photo. So what pizza? I've got a Mexican pizza. Roxy's got a
Bacon ever, bacon ever and feta.
Bacon ever.
Times 2.
Same as
And margarita with ham.
margarita with ham.